Dell OptiPlex Core i3 blue screen. Okay. Now let's check the settings. It's running Windows 7. Enough. Power on. Delete F12. I think F12. You go to BIOS. From here we'll check the configuration. My God. We go to boot sequence. Legacy, yeah. System drives. Alright. Start operation. Okay. That's it. Yeah, I think it's working. Only maybe the BIOS of this computer is reset. Sometimes that's a problem. So I'll check. What's this? So now we will check. I have extra battery here. It's not new, but it's working. So why the settings configuration from BIOS is changed? So now we will check if the BIOS battery is working or not. I will take from here, remove the power. Why? I think it's hard. So we will test from here with our CMOS battery, because I checked the date, it's not updated. Let me take out this battery. So if this one is low, battery is low, you need to replace, otherwise it will again. Oh my God, why is that? Come on. I need a little I need tweezer. This tweezer. Good. Okay, so we will check from our taster. This is the battery that we removed from this. So DC should be 3.2 or something. No problem if you point the probe in every direction. It's the same. It's reading. So this one. So it's quite low voltage 2. So should be 2.8. No, it's 1.31 volts. Again, it's 1.9 now. So this battery have problem. 2.1. It's alright, but the main thing is this low. So this is the other battery, and we have 2.91. It's fine. Reading of 2.92, and this is fine. So since we don't have any new battery, so we will replace this with that. This one is fine. Okay. Update the time, and should be working fine. Okay, that's all.